Ghatak, which translates to deadly in Sanskrit, is India's cutting-edge unmanned combat aerial vehicle project, previously known as the Indian Unmanned Strike Air Vehicle, developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization in collaboration with the Aeronautical Development Establishment. The Aeronautical Development Establishment has confirmed that the full-scale prototype of Ghatak is set for rollout in 2026, alongside the Tejas Mark II fighter jet, a historic alignment of two strategic projects for India's Air Force modernization. This rollout marks a milestone, signaling India's transition to a hybrid air combat force blending manned and unmanned platforms. Flying wing configuration. Ghatak features a tailless flying wing layout reminiscent of platforms like the Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit, making it inherently stealthy and reducing its radar cross-section. The airframe extensively uses advanced carbon fiber and Kevlar composites, ensuring a lightweight yet robust build. Its hallmark feature is a 1.5-ton payload capacity within an internal weapons bay, allowing the drone to carry missiles, bombs, and precision-guided munitions while maintaining low observability. So Ghatak is powered by a dry variant of the indigenous Kaveri turbofan engine which, by the way, has recently entered its final trials for integration. Earlier versions actually used a microjet engine for technology demonstrators. When it comes to autonomy and endurance, Ghatak boasts advanced AI-driven autonomous flight modes, enabling pretty high levels of mission independence. Its anticipated operational endurance ranges from 5 to 8 hours, and it has a combat radius exceeding 1,000 kilometers. As for flight metrics, the demonstrator achieved flights at altitudes up to 30,000 feet, speeds of roughly 370 kilometers per hour, and a range of 60 kilometers with a 2-hour endurance for those subscale models. Deep penetration strikes. Ghatak is engineered for high-risk deep strike missions into enemy territory, specifically for attacking high-value and well-defended assets. It is also capable of suppression of enemy air defenses, or SEAD, and conducting intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance operations, even in heavily contested airspaces. Plus, it's equipped with sophisticated electronic support measures, including a digital beamforming radar, to enhance strike precision and survivability. As a force multiplier, the Indian Air Force intends to induct up to 150 Ghatak UAVs, which is about 8 to 9 squadrons, to fill gaps left by retiring legacy aircraft, and to enhance autonomous strike capability. Ghatak also strengthens India's self-reliance, or Atmanirbharta, in next-generation unmanned and stealth technology. In short, the rollout of Ghatak in 2026 is a key moment for the Indian Air Force's future force structure, which is embracing manned-unmanned teaming to enhance combat effectiveness by combining stealthy autonomous strike drones with advanced manned jets like the Tejas Mark II. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.